Hello friends, now I am walking. Actually, I am having an evening walk over here because the atmosphere is quite good and I like to be in this kind of atmosphere. First, let me show you the atmosphere once. See, it's divided into two green fields over there. Okay, I do not know about the trees, but just see the beauty. Both sides, only green and green. And there is the temple that I already shown you in my last, and that is the Birla Gold Premium Cement Factory. That is the plant. Okay, that is the plant where cement is manufactured, and that thing is a chimney. Okay, that is the chimney where loads of cement is there, and various processes. Ultimate, we get the pure quality of the cement of Ultratech, and so that is the thing. And over there is also a thermal plant where electricity is processed. So these are the two things which makes this place Sagardihi Murshidabad quite famous. And that is the temple. I like this place a lot. Having evening walk, because when I stay in my city, in my own city, I have lots and lots engagements, so I really do not have the time to have a walk like this, and I am enjoying it. Okay, now friend, let me show you another most, and that is snake. First, let me show you the board. Okay, and this is specially for you, Ushnik, you have some proof. Ushnik and Ayush and Oyon and Saurav. Okay, there are many. Now see, what is written? Snake alert. Watch where you walk. Stay on the paths. So it is very dangerous, and there are a lot of snakes over here. So please. And there is a one guard over there. Let me talk to him. See. এখানে মানে সাপ খুব আছে না? অরুণমল জিপসনের ভিতরে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, সাবধান না অরুণ। He just told me that it's not safe for me to enter into that path. It's not safe. That's what he's saying. And due to this COVID pandemic, this grazing and all that are not taking place over here. So that is the main problem. And now let me show you this scenery. That is the thermal power plant. Okay, and here is the interview. Okay, look at the scenery. Isn't it awesome? All the engineers are working over there. Okay, and this is solar plates. They catch the sun's rays, and then it is sent into processing. See the entire scenery. like this, and but they say this place is quite adventurous, especially in the night. uh, so it's not safe, and the entire place changes in the night, because night we can see only the lights, over there, and the entire area uh, sleeps into darkness. Okay, listen this sound. So there are so many places. There are so many places in our West Bengal, and of course in our. I don't think one life is enough to see all the you know all the variety of these places. Means you 2 to 3 lives to complete this journey. Okay, so okay, love you all. Stay tuned with me. Okay. I'm not doing any edit. Whatever I can manage, I can only uploading those videos. If I commit any, please forgive me for that, and enjoy the life. Okay, thank you. Bye.